Hello, incredible friends. My name is Megan. I'm with Incredible Techniques. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, bringing you all kinds of tips, tricks, and tutorials for cards and paper crafting of all different sorts. So today, I want to share with you some quick tips on how to clean your clear acrylic blocks. I don't know about you, but me, I'm constantly getting tape and adhesive and inks, all the oils from your hands, all of that stuff on your blocks. And it does make a difference in how well your stamps mount on your blocks. So today I want to share with you those quick tips. So I'll meet you at the craft table. Let's head over there and get started. As you see, my block is quite dirty. There's some stazon ink, there's adhesive, just really dirty. And I'm actually should be really ashamed of myself for letting it get this bad. So I have some stazon cleaner here, and we're just going to do this one block at a time. And now stazon you don't want to use on the photopolymer stamps. There's been some people that say it can ruin them, but it's fine for your blocks. But you see there's some ink here. I'm just going to take a paper towel and I'm scrubbing at that spot. And then I'm just going to wipe away. I've got some adhesive, which may be hard to see on camera, but it's kind of sticky. So you can see all the stuff I'm getting up there. Okay, so that's one side. And then I'm going to repeat this step on the second side. I started out trying to use my stazon spray, but that one, it has a little bit in it, but I guess it's low enough for a wooden spray. So I'm using this roll-on one and just rubbing this all over. I'm just going to let it sit for just a couple seconds. And then where I know I had ink, I'm just going to go ahead and use my paper towel and kind of scrub at that. I've got some adhesive here. I'm just going to scrub at that as well. Okay. So now you see the difference. We have a clear block. Because I used stazon on this block, I would recommend after doing this to just take it over to your sink and wash it with dish detergent, a mild dish detergent and water, and then let them air dry. But you can see what a difference that made. I still have just maybe a little tiny spot there. But that's all I did. You see what a difference that makes. I hope this helps. If you have any other quick tips you would like to see, questions about how to clean a product or use a product, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an incredible day. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that you learned something new and that this was helpful to you. I will also be bringing other videos on quick tips on how to clean products, different tools, different inks, all of that stuff. Be looking forward to that. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I invite you to do so. And if you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to earn your business.